Today, I'm excited to share how I'm making an extra $30 a day using a fantastic platform that connects sports enthusiasts with gig opportunities. If you're looking for a way to turn your passion for sports into income, stick around, and I'll show you how you can do it too. So, let's get started. The first step is to create an account on this platform. It's super easy. Just fill in your details, and you'll be ready to explore the opportunities available. The platform I'm talking about is called Sprout Gigs. Sprout Gigs connect sports enthusiasts like us with various gig opportunities in the sports industry. Sprout Gigs has something for everyone. Once you've set up your profile on Sprout Gigs, make sure to showcase your skills and experience. Highlight any relevant qualifications, certifications, and previous work experience. This will increase your chances of landing gigs that match your expertise. Don't forget to add a professional photo and a compelling bio. Remember, first impressions matter. Now, let's talk about the types of gigs you can find on Sprout Gigs. There are various categories, such as coaching, refereeing, event management, and even content creation. You can filter gigs based on your interests and location. Take your time to browse through the listings. When you find a gig that suits you, read the description carefully and make sure you meet the requirements before applying. Once you start applying for gigs, it's important to be proactive and responsive. Keep an eye on your messages and respond promptly to any inquiries from potential clients. This will help you build a good reputation on the platform. When applying, tailor your application to the specific gig. Mention any relevant experience and why you're the perfect fit for the job. After landing your first gig, make sure to deliver high-quality work. This will lead to positive reviews and more gig opportunities in the future. And don't forget to ask your clients for feedback and reviews. Whether you're coaching a local team, refereeing a match, organizing a sports event, or creating sports content, Sprout Gigs provides a fantastic way to turn your passion for sports into income. Since using Sprout Gigs, I've been making an extra $30 a day, and it's been a game changer for me. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on making money and managing your finances. And if you have any questions or want to share your experience, drop a comment below. Until next time, keep hustling and stay financially savvy.